Come on down and don't be strangers in our junkyard of rearrangements. It's a boat down on the farm. It's the joy of motherhood. Those little ducklings walking round alive. I'll do what any other mother would. Try to do my best to bring a mind. That's your son, dear.
No! I've created a monster!
But the neighbors screaming out when they see our brood. He's the valley's water path.
Why are you so rude?
Hey, touchy.
No wonder they make fun of me. Life's harder when you're odd. But different isn't scary. Different is no threat. And though I'm still their brother, they forget.
You can play with your food before you buy it. You can toy with that tub before the brunch. You can play with your food, why fight it? It's a crazy little game called lunch.
We're off at the last year, thrown into kingdom come. We won't be happy till we found your mom. In a sinister new development, it appears that Ida has now also gone missing.
Where's the joy in motherhood? An endless round of chores that have to be done. Just think, when every neighbor's thing, one day you'll be